First, where is my brachiocephalic trunk? And I'm going to first start off right here. My brachiocephalic is over here. After that, I'm going to be going to my superior vena cava, which is going to be over here. My superior vena cava, it goes all the way over here. There's my superior vena cava. After that, I'm going to be going to my internal jugular, and my internal jugular, ooh, disgusting. Here you go. It's right over here, my internal jugular on this side. After that, I'm going to be showing you where is my cephalic vein. My cephalic vein is going to be lower than that, and my vein is going to be over here on this side. This is where my cephalic vein is at. So all the blue parts are where the artery was at. After that, I'm going to be showing you where is my subclavian vein, my left and my right one. So my left one is located on this side, and it's over here. This is where my subclavian vein is. It's on this side. After that, I have my left subclavian vein, and it's going to go on the opposite side, on the left side, and it's over here on this side. After that, I have my external jugular. My external jugular is on my right side, and it's over here. This is where my external jugular is at. After that, I have my internal jugular, and that's more on the inside. So I have it on this side over here. This is where my internal jugular is at. You see it right there. That's my internal jugular. After that, I have my right subclavian vein. In my right subclavian vein, I'm going to turn my pig this way, and here goes my right subclavian vein over here on this side. Aside from that, I'm also going to be telling you where I have where the heart is located. I think it's really interesting when I'm looking at it. Opening it up right here, it's the heart. The rib cage, go right here. There is a lot of sharp pieces in there, so I'm trying to be careful as I'm moving it around. But I think it's really cool how they have the arteries all around and how they injected the dye so you know exactly. I think I cut through this artery right here. But it's a really good experience. It teaches you, you know, what's the difference between a vein and an artery. And like I know all the blue ones are going to be the arteries. All the ones that are not blue are going to be veins. And on this side, here's another artery right here. Here's a vein, and you can see it on this side right here. You see that red little fibrous jumping one? That's a vein. So here's my pig, and this was my project. Thank you for watching my video. And let me see, 4 other things that I learned during my dissection that I thought were interesting. So I never really knew about cutting a pig or dissecting it. And during the time while I'm dissecting it, I start to see all these parts to it. And it's a little different because I'm not really used to dissecting a pig. But as I seen the jugular, as I seen the arteries, and as I went through it and I seen the ribs, it's just a body is so delicate of these animals. And it's so easy to rip through something if you're not careful from the tissue. This is some of the tissue that I was cutting off while I was cutting in between the first part, the second part, and then the third part. It's very, very detailed when you're cutting, but this is a very good experience. So I've gotten to see, you know, what's the difference between the jugular, what's the difference between the veins, and where they're located at. So again, this is my video. Thank you for watching, and I hope to be back with you next week. Thank you again. This is